In this video, I'm going to talk about advanced logistics queuing. With the help of AI, I was able to make a really neat visual. The bottom line is, I will never, and in lean thinking, we will never allow humans, equipment, or materials onto the project site without them being queued and aligned. So if here's your trailer and deliveries are coming in over here, why don't we have a nice leveled area with base or with asphalt, unload the mass deliveries, and kit them ready to go to the zones before being taken by the telehandler. And here's the key thing. You can put away any garbage or any recycling, and somebody, as an improvement to this image, said, why don't you actually have a compactor and a baler over here as well? You'll get rid of a lot of the waste. And the bottom line is, through signals, the forklift operator, the telehandler operator, will literally take it to the zone once it's kitted to the zone. Why are we taking everything up to the building and then bringing 20, 30, 40% back out in the form of waste? It's clogging up our operations. What if we queued it properly, unpackaged it properly, and brought it out just zone by zone so that workers got it, and it's like, oh, I can just roll this in and do my work, on to the next zone. Roll it in, do my work, go to the next zone. Roll it in, do my work, go to the next zone. This kind of thinking is where we must go. It's not more expensive, it's not a pain in the butt, and it's not babysitting. That's where water spiders come in. Eventually, and let me tell you a story. One time we did this with a mechanical contractor with chilled beams. We kept the area beautifully clean, we kitted it properly, and at the end they saved $247,000. They had 2 less laborers out there taking things in and outside of the building and 1 less person at the yard, and they literally did this queuing for their chilled beams because they had a water spider. Somebody that could literally coordinate this so that only what needs to come to the actual zone comes there at the right time when people need it. So you have the ability to inspect the materials because it's close to the office. You can get rid of waste right then and there. Your yard is nice and flat. You can use a cheaper shop forklift instead of the telehandler. The telehandlers then take things only to the zones and don't have to bring trash back out. Everything's kitted properly. It's done by zone, and it's all coordinated by a water spider. This is where we have to go. This is remarkable. I will never build a job any differently than this. This is the new standard. I hope you've enjoyed this video. On we go.